Running tips for beginners, part 2. Number 1, engage natin yung core and mag-lean tayo slightly. Dapat yung slight lean natin is from the ankle, not from the waist. And then, use gravity to propel us forward. Dapat rin firm yung core natin para hindi tayo nagbabounce up and down. Number 2 tip, relax our upper body. Ensure natin that our shoulders are loose and yung arms natin at around 90-degree angle. Swing naturally. Sipin mo para kang may drumsticks na hawak, beating it nasabay sa cadence mo, or parang may hawak ka ng potato chips habang siniswing mo yung arms mo. And then number 3, think light push, quick lift. Instead of pushing hard on the ground, think about quickly lifting your foot after contact. Itong mental cue na to helps us reduce ground contact time. Ayun lang. Happy Thursday! Run, Arcovia! Sarap talaga pag naka-BL ka no? Hihi!